Hello, good morning dear students. Today we are going to see the grammar section, 8th standard. Now first lesson already we have completed and now we'll go complete second and third lesson. What was the first lesson? Parts of speech, right? Parts of speech, am I right? And what is the second and third lesson? I have already introduced the parts of speech. The second and third lesson is the correct use of noun, and the third lesson is correct use of pronouns. So that means we are going to see the nouns and the pronouns in details now. Okay, nouns and the pronouns in details now, right? Because what happened? We have already seen the parts of speech. Now, where we generally commit mistakes in nouns, that areas we are going to see. See what happens while using singular and plural forms of nouns. Mistakes are committed. So that we are going to see. The possessive case, objective case, or subjective case, in that when we use possession, at that time, generally there are mistakes committed. Okay, so these two things, moreover the third one is given here. Okay, countable and uncountable, there generally the mistakes are seen. So what, let us see the case of the noun, that is possessive. The case of the noun. Okay, the possessive case of a noun is used to show ownership of possession, and that is done by using apostrophe s. Okay, by doing apostrophe s. Now what happens when the noun is in plural and ends in s? Boy, boys, singular, plural. So when what happens, the noun is in plural and ends in s, the possessive is formed by adding only apostrophe in the end. So now when I will use the possessive of this, we will use the possessive case of this. Boy, boys, apostrophe yes, boys. Man, mans. So this is the thing. Now if the plural form of this noun is ending in s, okay, so possessive case of that plural noun will be written like this. The apostrophe turns from this place to this in the end, while if it is not ending in s, now this is the plural form of man, men, we will do the same thing, mains. This is the correct use of possessive, apostrophe s. So this we have to take into mind, and we shall not commit mistake in this, right? So man, mans, main, mains. So possessive, right? Boy, boys, boys, boys. So in this way, the writing, this mistake is generally in the writing format. Okay, because in the pronunciation, most of the time the pronunciation remains only a mark is given. For example, boys, 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 boys. So that's is given. The sir is given. Exploring, and it is sound. It's a sound. So in vowel it is called as exploding sound. So that explosion behind the s is kept while uttering while speaking it. So that is only the difference, nothing else. So in writing you have to take care that this is singular apostrophe and this is plural apostrophe. Yes. So this is the plural nouns possessiveness and singular nouns possessiveness that happens. Now see, personified things like India's heroes, nature's laws, duties, call, deaths, doors, etc. So the possessive case is used with nouns denoting living things like this. Now man's, men's I have explained. Okay. So what is man? Man's face, a cat's tail, horse head, okay, etc. we use it. Personified things, personified is a figure of speech when it is shown as living thing. So India's personified, India is not a living thing, India is a noun. India's heroes, okay, heroes. So when we want to personify something, that time we use like this. What is actually heroes of India? So this is the actual correct English. But if you want to use in personification, when it is personified, at that time we can use like this. India's hero, India's got talent. In that show is going on like that. Nature's law. Now is a nature human being? No. So how we can use possessive case with that? Ownership is related with the human beings, right? Humans are owner. Is a dog owner of a house? No. Humans are having this quality of having ownership. So nature, so the actual use is law of nature. Correct English is this. So is this English not correct? It is correct, but it is personified. It is personified. It is shown that it's like human quality. Now certain dignified objects. Now somewhere now dignity is maintained. Dignity, perspective, some places, things or some ideas are really very dignified. There the apostrophe s can be used. For example, court's order. It's not order of the court. Instead of that you can say court's order. It is correct use. Okay, this one is correct use. It's not wrong. Okay, the sun's rays, dignified. The world's population of the world, instead of that dignified, world's population, we are talking on a higher scale. So that is Earth's atmosphere, the atmosphere of the earth, right? Earth's atmosphere. So when we want to dignify that, it is the atmosphere of the earth, and that is why we can use it. Okay. Time, space, weight or value as. Now how apostrophe is used with time, space, value and weight. Okay. Time, a day's journey. Okay. Journey of a day, a day's journey. A month's holiday, a year's absence. Okay. In this way. Space, a table's length. In literally, what do you mean to say? See, here it is used, but while speaking, when we use it, I saw a snake. I saw a snake of a table's length, of a room's length. Of a room's length means सांप कितना बड़ा था? एक रूम के जितना बड़ा था. So what it is? It is superlative. Superlative. When we talk about in superlatives in time, space, weight and value, right? Comparative. When we compare, at that time also we can use apostrophe with these things. Not only that, when we use the figure of speech simile, there also means as, like, So there also we can use it. Okay, comparison, simile. So there also we can use it. And weight, a kilo's weight, a ton's weight, value 10 rupees worth, a dollar's worth. These are all not general use. Okay, what I said, apostrophe we can use with this, it's not wrong, it is correct, but this is all in the cases of when seen in the sentence. When it is used in the sentence, it must be superlative, it must be personified, it must be dignified, it must be comparative, it must be a figure of speech, it must be a poetic language, then we use it. Otherwise, we don't say nature's law, we say that law of the nature. We don't say court's order, we say that order of the court. Order of the court. But we say court's order. Why? It is dignified. We are dignifying court. So this happens. Okay. So these are the correct Englishes. This is the places where we use it. Otherwise we don't. In certain phrases, as at his finger's end. Now it is a phrase. Phrase is a superlative again. Phrase is a superlative. Phrase are how the phrases are made. How the phrases came into existence on the regular experience. The regular experience is seen. On that basis it has come into existence. Right? Keep it in mind. Keep it in mind how the phrases came into existence in this way. In this way. Okay. So there's a phrase means something different. Right? Phrase हम use करते हैं ना, मराठी में भी यूज़ करते हैं. हाँ, फ्रेजेस होती हैं. मनी, हाँ, मन, उसको क्या कहते हैं मराठी में, हिंदी में कहावत. फ्रेजेस. सो हम यूज़ करते हैं तो उसका मीनिंग कुछ और होता है. राइट. सो इट इज़ अगेन आई एम टेलिंग द सेम थिंग. Possessive case is only used in these cases, only with this purpose. Okay. So see, at his finger's end, for mercy's sake, to his heart's content, at his wit's end. So in certain phrases also we can use possessive case in this way. Okay. We can sometime omit a noun denoting some building or place. We can sometime omit a noun to denoting some building or places after the possessive case. Now sometimes it's a building, but I'll say that places also. देखो कैसे मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. So we can omit यानी निकाल देना. Okay. We can omit the nouns after using the possessive, if the possessive is used, or when we want to use possessive. Okay, at that time we can omit the nouns of buildings or places. Now here only building, places also given. Buildings and places we can omit. For example, the I will see you at barber's. I'll see you at barber's, full stop, barber's shop. Barber's shop. Right? Right? So in this way, I will see you at agitation's ground. Agitation's ground. Where the agitation ground is there, protesting ground. So there I'll see you. So places, I will see you at my uncle's house, place. Right? So in this way, instead of using shop, if this barber's is used, we can give full stop, no need to use this. Okay, this is omission. This omitting can be done with the help of possessive, and for that the possessive is used sometimes. Otherwise, what is the proper way of saying? Shop of the barber. Or barber's shop. But apostrophe shows that barber has shops. That is why no need to use that. So it can be done. Noun denoting lifeless object are seldom put in possessive case. Leg of the table. We don't say that table's leg. Okay, we don't say it, it is wrong. It is wrong. Objects, those which are lifeless, using apostrophe for them is wrong. Now test yourself. 1, 2, 1, 18 sentence, 2, 12 sentence. Okay, express. Okay, express. What has been done? Express the relationship between each pair of item by using of or the possessive case. Okay, possessive case, you have to use possessive case. Boys school. The earth's surface. Earth's surface. The surface of the earth. Okay, the surface of the earth. Earth's surface is also correct. Earth's surface is also correct. So arm length. Arms length. Length of a arm. Okay, arm's length is correct because it is about space. It is talking about space. Trees, leaves or leaves of the trees? Leaves of the trees. Okay, second will be leaves of the trees. An hour's work. An hour's work. So we can use apostrophe there. So where we can use apostrophe and make it, write it. For example, it is given similarly. Second, there are 6 sentences among the following that can be written using possessive case. Out of the 12 sentences, 6 can be used using possessive case. So locate them and rewrite them. So इस 12 में से क्या करना है? 6 ऐसे ढूंढने हैं. You have to search it. There you can use apostrophe. Now see, let us see the first sentence. Write your name at the top of the page. Can you say page stop? No, wrong. Second, the jeep stopped at the end of the street. Can you say street's end? No, wrong. The job of my brother is very interesting. My brother's job. Can we say that? Absolutely. My brother's job is very interesting. So we can say that. Third one. Fourth one. What is the name of this colony? What is the colony's name? Can we say this? No, wrong. What is the name of the colony is correct use. He stayed at the house of his sister's house. Okay, so in this way solve it. Now the second, singular and plural use of noun. Possessive case, there we commit mistake, and the second one is singular and plural. What happens? How we commit mistake here? Some see, English is a language made out of Latin, Greek, French, so these and German also. So many languages gave them their share to make English. To make English. कौन है तिकडे? Where we were? Singular and plural. See, English is made up of out of these many languages, and some words came from Latin, German, French as it is. They came with their sources, and what happened? Some words are there in English found that they are same in the singular and plural also. They are same in the